model, 68-plate Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI tipper Euro 6 spares OR repairs wet belt. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 100730. MOT, 4 September 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped, engine has been striped for repair, all parts are in the vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.